get ready to elevate your music production game. In this electrifying Ableton tutorial, I'm diving into the art of transforming 3 simple MIDI notes into a mesmerizing acid techno line. Whether you're looking to inject some life into your tracks or craft the ultimate build-up, you're in the right place, using the powerful D16 Phoscyon 2 alongside the sonic magic of native Instruments Replika and LFO Tools. I'll show you techniques that are also applicable with Arturia Acid V or Serum, and if you have a favorite synth for creating acid techno, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. I sped up the automations, but this will give you a clear idea of how much potential there is for the whole track, especially for build-ups and drops. Acid Gold with 3 notes. I really love the sound of this synthesizer. If you want to download it, click the link in the description. There's just a bit of easy processing, but before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my future electronic music production tutorials. Now let's begin with Phoscyon 2 and the MIDI clip. Switch to session view and create a new MIDI track inside your synth group. Load Phoscyon 2, Acid V or Serum in Komplete Kontrol if you have it. Now create a 1-bar MIDI clip, write 3 30-second notes on the first 3/4 of a beat and duplicate them just as shown on the screen. Rename the track to Acid Line. Choose a preset you like and either turn off the sequencer or set your synthesizer to external mode. Turn down the volume in both Komplete Kontrol and your channel strip to avoid excessive loudness. Add saturator, LFOTool and Replika, but leave them turned off. Now hit play and let's get started. And that's it. You're all set to create hi-hat patterns and automations. And if you're wondering how, don't worry, I've got you covered. Click on one of the videos popping up right here to dive into the step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process.